She's dead cold this morning. Take a look at our little Misfire. It's worse when it's dead cold. You can hear it in the idle. When it's warm, it kind of goes away and certainly gets a lot better. And then it's most noticeable under load. So like cruising at speed isn't a big deal, but trying to go up a hill, different story. Idle's a little uneven and you heard it kind of hesitate a little there. Messy trailer brake wiring and messy light bar wiring too, but little hiccup. I pulled the spout and checked the base timing. It's right at about 10. And idling with the spout in, it looked like maybe, 20 or so. It was starting to get dark, so I didn't actually check the balancer in detail. A little bit of an oil leak. I think it's coming from that PCV grommet, so I need to pull the upper intake so I can get that changed once I... Ooh, big one. Get that figured out. So yeah, the idle, you can hear it when it's cold. It kind of quits that for the most part once it's up to temperature. I'm gonna drop it in gear. Got the brake on and everything. Give it a little bit of gas. That's it in drive. Oh yeah. As soon as I touch the gas, an immediate hesitation. That's pretty good, actually. A little bit of one there. And I'm gonna actually drive forward a few feet here. See if that shows it a little more. Well, normally, under load, it'll have more of those. Another hiccup. Big hiccups there. If I had more hands and I had more time, I'd take it out on the road. Show, but yeah, especially going up a hill under load, it seems to do it pretty dramatically. These little coughs are just the most noticeable thing for the moment.